So this cable could save you hundreds of dollars on expanding your EcoFlow expansion batteries. I did test it on a Delta 3 and it works very well, but here are a couple things you really need to know first before picking this up. So basically, it's a third-party expansion cable from Wattcycle, and the idea is simple. Instead of buying EcoFlow's official batteries for hundreds more, you can connect this to an external battery for much cheaper, like a 5 kilowatt hour server rack battery. Sounds great, right? Well, hold on, because this is where a lot of people are going to mess up. This cable is not compatible with every EcoFlow unit. Physically, it just won't plug into the unit. You have to have the end that does. So before you think about buying this, you need to check your model. So I hooked this up to my Delta 3 and connected it to a Wattcycle 48 volt 100 amp hour server rack battery and immediately expanded my capacity over 5 kilowatt hours. And I ran both discharge and charging tests to see if it actually behaves like a real expansion batteries. So powering devices, it does pull from the external battery, basically works how you'd expect it to, nothing weird or nothing odd to report. But charging is where I was really curious. So if you plug this into the Delta 3, it actually pushes power back into the external battery, which is honestly a little surprising to me. So yeah, this worked in both directions and it worked well, but it's not perfect. And this is the part you need to understand. The state of charge is basically your battery percentage isn't always 100% accurate between the two systems. It can drift a bit, but in my testing, it stayed within a reasonable range. So here's the bottom line. It works, it's not perfect, but for around $50 to $70, it could be a serious budget option if you're looking to expand your system without spending too much money. Just make sure that the unit is compatible first, because if it is, this is kind of a no-brainer. Overall, I recommend it if you're looking for a DIY solution to expand your system, as long as you have a compatible device.